Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me tonight to discuss organizational design for our organization. Burton says that organizational design is an everyday and ongoing activity and challenge for every executive manager, whether it's a large corporation or small business. You might wonder why organizational design is important. I can tell you from studying the last few weeks on the 13 different areas of organizational design why organizational design is important to a company, because you want a company that has happy employees that are ready to work for you, and have bosses that are happy, and a company that's growing and making profits. Organizational design will show you where you lack and where you need to be aligned at and show your misfits or fits. Luckily, through my research for the past few weeks, I have found that our company has been fitted and aligned pretty well so far. Of course, things can change, and in that, you should do an organizational design reevaluation every 6 months unless things seem to be going awry or offline or off rails for your company. Unhappy employees, product not being produced fast enough, customer satisfaction, or just to name a few. In studying our organization, which is a fairly large organization, we have 20,000 employees, 400 locations, and several satellite offices to run this company. I find that we fell in Burton's D quadrant, where shows that our company is focused on, and we will review these as we go on, the effective and efficiency area. We are analyzers of the business. We work in a turbulent environment. We have a matrix type setting that's transnational confederation and a naughty design office feel producer, rational goal, planned, relationship driven, and profit sharing organization. The organizational design can help a company decide where they need to be, where they're going, and where they want to be. The organizational design can align your misfits and put them back into place where you're hitting, as I would like to say, on all cylinders, so that your company is doing the best that it can do and have the best employees it can have. If something should go wrong in your design, then reevaluation is needed immediately, and the 6 months don't need to wait. Therefore, you can figure out what you need to change, make the change happen, implement the changes, and get your organization back aligned where it needs to be, producing and happy employees again. As you look through the profile that I have set up, the executive report, please feel free to ask any questions or any comments as we go along. Thank you for your time and your comments and consideration, and have a good night.